You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly once and for all. There are two slightly different pronunciations in English, British English and American English, so let's break down both of them. British English pronunciation: format. Format. The stress goes on the first syllable. It's not format, it's format. Format. American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the US as opposed to the UK: format. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.